The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Limousine Unofficial Concept isn't just a car, it's a revolution on wheels, a shocking vision of ultra-luxury that feels less like transportation and more like a moving throne. This is the future of royalty, reimagined for the road. From the first glance, the design commands silence. The elongated silhouette stretches with presidential confidence, wrapped in a two-tone finish and a chrome-drenched grille inspired by modern palace architecture. Razor-sharp LED light blades slice through the night, while turbine-style wheels and seamless aero lines whisper elegance rather than scream aggression. It doesn't chase attention, it owns it. Step inside and you're no longer in a cabin, you're in a digital sanctuary. Rear executive lounge seats recline into near-flat beds wrapped in diamond-stitched leather and ambient lighting that glows like a private jet at cruising altitude. A full-width OLED display transforms the dashboard into a command center, while a partitioned rear suite offers privacy glass, a champagne chiller, and AI-driven comfort controls that adapt to your mood. Underneath this royal armor lies intelligent power. Imagine a next-generation hybrid V12 or fully electric dual-motor system pushing beyond 800 horsepower. Near-silent acceleration, effortless gliding, adaptive air suspension reads the road milliseconds ahead, delivering a ride so smooth it feels unreal. Safety? Level 3 autonomous capability, biometric access, predictive collision tech. Innovation wrapped in serenity. Expected to rival Bentley and Rolls-Royce at over $350,000, this concept redefines status. Is this the ultimate road-going palace? Don't forget to subscribe to Concept Lab for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.